In this video, we'll be checking the bike's resettable fuse wire. First, ensure both the key and handlebar switches are turned off. Disconnect the black negative battery wire from the negative battery terminal. Undo the nut and bolt connecting the thicker red wires from the motor, controller and relay, and separate the wires so they cannot touch one another. Reconnect the black negative battery wire from the negative battery terminal. Switch both key and handlebar switches to on. Next, set your multimeter to measure DC voltage on a setting of at least 100 volts. Connect the negative multimeter probe to the negative battery terminal, which is connected to a black battery wire. Touch the red multimeter probe to the end of the free, thinner red wire, which contains the resettable fuse, checking for your original battery voltage value recorded in step 1. Set both the key and handlebar switches to off. Disconnect the multimeter. Disconnect the black negative battery wire from the negative battery terminal. Reconnect the red wires and tighten the nut and bolt fastening. Reconnect the black negative battery wire to the negative battery terminal.